Alright, in this video we're going to be removing front left door panel on a 2013 BMW 3 Series. This is a sedan, F30. So you have to start out by removing this door handle trim.
Max already take his team, you know?
There's a guide clip on this side, and there's one as well right here, so just kind of be careful with them. Alright, so now there's going to be two T25 torque screws. Make sure you get the screws out. Now we're going to remove the master window switch. Alright, so you have this kind of clip on the front. If you're not going to be able to press on it, you're going to have to end up getting it from the back. We tried to do it from the front by pressing on this, but it wasn't really working out, so we switched over to the back. And the reason why we take it off right now before removing the door panel is because of the plug. It's going to be very difficult to unplug it later, so this is the easiest way to get the door panel off completely. Alright, so now we're using a plastic wedge to basically make some room on the back of the door panel to grab it and pull out the clips. And there is these white clips all around the door panel. So now you have this plug. Feed through the wire from the master window switch. And you have this, and this one you just pull it down and you lift it out. There you go. Alright, so this is your front left door panel. these are the clips all around. Clips didn't break, so they all survived. And this door panel, you do have to lift it up once you pull out the unclip it all around. You have to lift up the door panel, and you have to get this little knob through the door panel as well. Alright, now we're going to be removing the front left mirror. So we got the door panel off. Now we're going to be removing this trim. Now we're using a T30 Twerps. There's going to be the 3 screws. And on the last screw, make sure something's supporting the mirror, otherwise it will drop. Alright, so this is the mirror.